Welcome to this tutorial on EC2 User Data, part of our AWS Compute series. In this video, we'll explore how to automate instance setup using initialization scripts, making your EC2 deployments faster and more consistent. EC2 User Data refers to scripts that run automatically when an EC2 instance launches for the first time. These scripts execute at boot time with root user privileges, meaning they have full access to configure your system. The primary purpose is to automate instance configuration and setup tasks. It's important to note that user data runs only once during the initial launch of the instance, not on subsequent restarts. There are several common use cases for EC2 user data. First, you can install software packages, dependencies, and applications automatically without manual intervention. Second, you can update the system by applying security patches and system updates right at launch. Third, you can configure services such as starting web servers, databases, and other applications. Finally, you can download files from S3 buckets or Git repositories, including application code, configuration files, and other assets needed for your application. Let's look at a basic user data script example. Every script must start with the shebang line, #bin/bash, which tells the system to use the bash shell. In this example, we first update all system packages using yum update with the -y flag for automatic yes responses. Then, we install the Apache web server using yum install httpd. Finally, we start the Apache service with systemctl start httpd and enable it to start automatically on boot with systemctl enable httpd. Here's a more complete deployment script that sets up a simple web application. After updating the system and installing Apache, we create a custom HTML page by echoing content into the index.html file located at /var/www/html. The echo command uses angle brackets, which represent HTML tags. Finally, we start and enable the Apache service to make our web page accessible. Adding user data to your EC2 instance is straightforward. First, launch an EC2 instance from the AWS Console. Second, scroll down to the Advanced Details section during the launch configuration. Third, find the user data text field at the bottom of this section. Fourth, paste your bash script, making sure it starts with the shebang line, #bin/bash. Fifth, launch the instance, and the script will run automatically during the first boot. There are several important considerations when using user data. First, all scripts run as the root user, which means they execute with full system privileges automatically. Second, user data is not encrypted, so you should never store sensitive information like passwords or API keys in your scripts. Third, there's a 16 kilobyte size limit, meaning your user data cannot exceed 16,384 bytes. Fourth, user data has one-time execution, running only on the first boot and not on instance restarts. When your user data script doesn't work as expected, you can check execution logs to debug issues. There are three main log files to examine. First, /var/log/cloud-init-output.log shows the complete output of your script. Second, /var/log/cloud-init.log contains detailed cloud init process information. Third, /var/log/messages provides general system messages that may include relevant errors. These logs are essential for understanding what went wrong during script execution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.